We just wanted to give you a little insight on the process flow of our future professional learning communities, or PLCs. So Rick and I first created an outline and evaluation for the expectations in upcoming PLC meetings, and then we're right here. We're in this very first step where we're just introducing this concept to you all as content leads. Now we will take the extra step and have a more personalized plan set in place where Rick and I will meet with each individual content lead so that we can come up with a specific process flow for your future meetings.
At this point, we're going to break into content-specific PLC plans. We're going to be getting together with the content leads for specific PLCs. Emily and I are going to support you during this first meeting, and we're going to talk about course and subject-specific information using data and best practices. We are also going to have an evaluation form that is used at every PLC for the content leads to use. Some of the things that we're going to try to do is develop growth, thoughts, ideas, feedback for future data-driven decisions and future PLC meetings.
So after Rick and I help you plan your very first meeting, then we're going to work on the implementation of the actual process flow. And our hopes are that this is going to bring consistent collaboration, not only between management and faculty, but also you specifically as the content lead and faculty and vice versa. It will help with the exchange of current topics, challenges, best practices, and then we're going to use that data, those best practices that we collect during those meetings to help us in scheduling and creating agendas for future meetings. So we're discussing topics that are in need at that time. And then also those will occur continuously each month.
Once we have these meetings going, we're going to have a three-pronged measurement where the content leads are going to conduct self-reflections, the faculty are going to do evaluations, and they're going to be collected and analyzed, and then we're also going to scaffold future meetings according to the data and the feedback from these tools. At this point, the content leads will communicate the data back to Rick and Emily quarterly.
So all in all, through this process, our end result right here, we want to bring this PLC process flow to automaticity. In doing this, we'll have our monthly meetings, and then it will in turn bring consistent collaboration and communication, and then through that, we'll have our data-driven decisions. And that concludes our process flow.